Do you wonder how to connect a long regrowth with previously lightened middle lengths and ends? My name is Matthias and I'm an education expert from Vienna, Austria. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a combination of Teasy lights and tip outs in order to connect a long regrowth with previously lightened ends. When connecting a very long regrowth, it's sometimes difficult to get the right balance in between sculpt-tight foils and a very nice and even transition. So in this tutorial, we'll definitely focus on the transition more than on the sculpt-tight foils. I pre-separated my head into 4 quadrants, so 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And I'm gonna start with a full slice on a diagonal angle. I'm gonna completely leave out this. I'm gonna start in the middle because I have lots of lengths in there and just push back towards the root. Once I feel a little resistance on my comb, I go out with my comb and in again in order to push the hair towards the root. And then I'm working with 2 lighteners. One here for the regrowth area, which is Vario Brown Plus in a 1:2 mixing ratio. And now for the tips, for the ends of the hair, I'm going to use the same lightener with a 1:4 mixing ratio and 1.9%, so 6 volume. And then my soft bleach to the ends of the hair. So for demonstration purposes, I did one side at a time, and I'm now going to move to my other side and repeat the same process. So after placing both sides of foils, I end up with this little triangular shape in the top here. And in order to be efficient, I'm just gonna slice this in half and do a last Teasy light, a full slice, lots of teas. So now I took everything from in between my foils. I'm gonna pull it towards the front. So just by pulling it, it will create a transition if I apply some lightener here to the ends. And now I take the whole section and just give it a very nice tease. And then I'm gonna place my lightener. Remember, this is the soft bleach as well, so this is a 1:4 mixing ratio, just cleaning out the toner from the ends. Tip outs are there to brighten the ends and take away any toner on pre-lightened hair. So therefore, I'm going to push all the hair that is in between the foils to the front. So I took out everything from my foils and I'm over directing it to the front, giving it a slight tease here on the root. So I'm removing all the very dark hair from the root. So I created my 2 tip outs here that ensure maximum brightness within the perimeter of the hair. And now I'm gonna tuck this back in between my foils and fix it with a clip. Now I'm done with the back. I can rinse it anytime the development is done. And now I'm gonna move to the front sections of my head, which is a tactic that I use on most of my clients in order to play with development times. So I'm back with my fast foiling technique, and for better visibility I choose to rinse the back of the head so you can see perfectly what I'm doing in the front. And now I'm gonna tease the full front. I'm gonna push out this hair, as you can see, the shorter lengths. I'm not gonna go towards the root completely. I'm really gonna paint within the foil. I'm painting the stronger lightener, the 1:2 mixing ratio, to the point where the blonde begins, and then for the ends I'm gonna do a little twist with soft bleach, soft lightener, just to kick off the toner. So I'm done placing all my foils and Teasy lights on my head. Now the last thing to do is to take those 2 sections, over direct them to the middle and do some tip outs, so I'm getting even lightness all around the perimeter of the hair. Let's do that. And then once more I go in with my soft lightener, with my soft bleach. I left this mannequin head completely untoned for you to see the impact of my foils. So this is the final result of my fast foiling technique using Teasy lights and tip outs. I use Teasy lights, so strong teased full slices whenever I need to connect a long regrowth to previously lightened ends. The tip outs I strategically placed all in between the foils I did, over directing them to the front, so I have this very nice transition towards the ends. All the Teasy lights I did with a soft bleach version, so 1:4 mixing ratio in between lightener and developer, just to kick off this toner. Keep in mind to work your foils diagonally if you want to create a very even transition. I hope you love this result as much as I do. See you soon. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more or watch some of our recommendations.